But now I hear you're building all over India. I don't want you building in India.
Donald Trump might put 25% extra tax on iPhones made in India. Super bad for iPhone users, right? But here's the twist. Apple might not be worried. Reason being, they're already manufacturing iPhones in India and they might end up manufacturing more here soon. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel Get Assist, where we break down bigger topics in a simple way. So here we are to talk about why Apple might stick to Make in India in spite of Trump's biggest tax slab. So let's get started. Trump wants more of the companies to make stuff in America. So he plans to add 25% extra tax on all the goods that are being manufactured in China. And one of them is iPhone. So if Apple decides to manufacture the iPhones in China, then they are going to sell expensive in US. And here's where India comes into picture. One reason can be manufacturing iPhones in India can be cheaper. As you all know that the labor cost in India is very much low, so Apple can save a lot manufacturing in India than that of China. Another reason is India is giving Apple nice deals. The Indian government is helping Apple a lot by giving them tax benefits and building their factories here. Third reason is Apple doesn't want to depend on just one country. After COVID or other global problems, Apple wants to diversify its manufacturing and production in more countries and doesn't depend upon any one country. And India is going to be a smart backup from them. Next reason is India is a big customer too. India is a country which is not just a manufacturer of iPhones but can also be a place to sell iPhones because the people here are full crazy for iPhones. So even if Trump puts extra tax on China, Apple has a plan B, that is India. So do you think that Apple is going to put the iPhone Super Hub in India? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. And if you like the video, do share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.